evening to my beautiful Itachi family. So today I'm going to perform a mentalism and mind reading trick. So before I start, I want everyone present here to just think of a 3-digit number between 100 and 999. Any 3-digit number. I want everyone to think of a 3-digit number and give me a cheer whenever you are done. Done? So I want a volunteer on the stage. Anyone who wants to volunteer can come. Anyone. Shagun sir. A big round of applause for Mr. Shagun sir. So please stand. So I have a diary, an empty page. You are thinking of a 3-digit number, right? 999. You are thinking of a number. I want you to write the number on this page. Yes, a 3-digit number that you are thinking of. Close the diary, give it to me when you are done. Perfect. Now choose anyone from the audience, anyone you like. Whether from your department or from any other department. Anyone you want to choose. A big round of applause, Mr. Anusan. You are thinking of 3-digit number, sir. You are thinking of 3-digit number. You have that in your mind. Don't change your mind. Write that number underneath this number. When you are done, close the diary and hand it over to me. Perfect. Now I want you to choose any other third person to come on the stage. Hashimoto. A big round of applause, Mr. Hashimoto-san. Hello, sir. So you are thinking of a 3-digit number, right? Between 100 and 999. You have that number in your mind. Please write it on this piece of paper. Only 3-digit number, not includes. And as we sum, just draw a line underneath those 3 numbers. As we sum up the numbers, only the line. Yes. So now you may go back to your seat. So now let's take a recap what we have done. I've called 3 people from the audience. They have written a random 3-digit number into the diary. Right, sir? Now I want someone with good mathematics skills. That is fine. Please come on to the stage. A big round of applause. You're good in mathematics, sir, right? Let's take a quick test. What is 10 plus 10? 20 plus 20? 40 plus 40? Perfect. Now take out your phone. We'll use a calculator. So now we have 3 numbers written by all of these 3 people, right? So you have to sum up these numbers. Open the calculator and do the addition. And write the number. Any way you want. You can use the calculator. Performance चलिए रेस्ट में लेना. So what is the sum? Yes. You may use the calculator as well. For the double checking, you may use the calculator as well. Let's bring one more person on the stage to do the calculation once again. Just do the recheck. Anyone you want. Sure. I'll hold the diary for you. What is the number? And what was the number you wrote before? What was the number you wrote before? Okay. So now I want someone from the Japanese team. Or anyone from the Japanese team come on the stage. Anyone. Okay. As all you can see, there's an envelope kept there since the beginning of the show. So I want you to open this for me. I have scissors as well if you want. what does it have, sir? It is a phone. It is an iPhone to be precise. So what is the most best feature of an iPhone is? Except the camera.
माइक में आवाज दो, माइक में आवाज दो.
Okay, to be precise, it is a security. It is a security and the privacy feature the iPhone provides. Okay, so you are holding the iPhone. It requests for the passcode, right? It cannot be opened without the passcode. So you have a number. So you have a number with you, right? What was the number? 1704.
1704.
Could you please come here? And could you please type the password here?
Okay, must be 1.
What's the first digit? The second digit?
Next table.
Third digit?
0. 4.
And that's it, guys. My phone is open and unlocked. And guys, during this trip, I have been called up several times that this might be luck, this might be a chance, or maybe a fortune. But as we see 1704 as a date, it says 17th April. And today, on Thursday night, we are in the Shori stage on the date of 17th April 1704. Thank you so much, guys. That's up my time.